Good morning, it's Tony, Talking CarBiz. Today's video, 2021 Toyota RAV4 XLE Premium Edition. Blue flame is the color. We're gonna dive in and check out the exterior on this Premium Edition 2021 RAV4 Gas. Okay, up front on the XLE Premium Edition gasoline, you've got LED headlights, LED driving lights, also automatic high beams and automatic on-off for your headlights, halogen turn signals, and then the XLE does have fog lights, but these are halogen fog lights surrounded by a matte black finish on the bezel there. The grille itself, again, a matte black finish. This is a gasoline version, so the standard chrome badging. And then the lower part of the bumper, again, matte black finish, not painted. Nice aggressive look up front. Now for 2021, we do have Safety Sense 2.0. So up here in the windshield, there's a number of sensors, and that's your lane departure, pedestrian detection, lane tracing assist, road sign detection. So a lot of great safety technology built up into the front of the RAV4. Let's swing around to the side. Okay, there's your side profile on the XLE Premium. Take a look at the wheels and tires. These are the 19-inch, what they call the super chrome painted aluminum alloy wheel. Four-wheel disc brakes all the way around, anti-lock brakes, traction control, so super secure stopping. Those are a wider tire, so they're more of a road tire than they are an off-road tire. And then notice the over-the-wheel lip molding, matte black finish, and then that ties into the rocker moldings down here on the bottom of the doors. Notice it does get wider right at the door opening, and that's nice. So if your kids jump out and sling your door in the curb, the metal on the door is protected. You can easily replace these trim pieces as opposed to fixing a dent in the door. It also looks pretty nice on there. Your outside mirrors, painted color to match, so blue flame. Notice LED turn signals, collapsible mirrors, breakaway mirrors with blind spot monitoring, and these are heated outside mirrors. Chrome trim up around the window, bezel on the top. Notice we have the roof rail system, gloss black, and then the Premium does come with a factory power sliding moonroof as well as a power lift gate. Door handles are painted color to match. Rear windows are tinted out. Gas door is right here on the driver's side. We have a color to match high mounted third spoiler, or spoiler I should say, with a matte black trim kind of tying it into the tailgate. And then you've got a color to match shark fin antenna. Let's head around to the back. Okay, at the back of the RAV4 Gas XLE Premium, I wanted to point out your tail lights are LED tail lights, and they wrap around to the corner, give good visibility on the side. Piano black trim all the way around, so a nice refined look. XLE Premium does have the painted trim here, colored to match, so ties it all together. And then this particular one does have the black badge package, so a black Toyota badge, XLE all-wheel drive badge, and the RAV4 badge. That is an extra charge. We have a third rear washer wiper, rear window defrost, tinted rear tailgate window, LED brake light right up underneath the rear spoiler there. Your backup camera is right up under here, right there. And then the lower part of the tailgate, we do have a power lift tailgate part of the Premium package, so let's go ahead and tap that. And I wanted to point out this edge is a matte black finish, and that's that plastic trim which will protect the edge of the tailgate. Now the tailgate can be set to only open at a certain height, and then we also have the kick tailgate as well to be able to open and close it. The lower part of the bumper is that matte black finish, similar to what we saw up front. So a nice rugged look across the tailgate. We do have dual chrome exhaust tips. So one right here, a single muffler right there, and then the second exhaust tip comes out over on this side. These are reflectors right here. They don't light up at night, but add additional visibility. Be sure and watch video number 2, where I'll dive inside and show you all the features in the tailgate. Okay, under the hood on the XLE Premium, this is the gasoline engine. So we're looking at a 2.5 liter, 4-cylinder, 16 valve, direct injection gasoline engine. Puts out 203 horsepower, and it's connected to or mated to an 8-speed automatic transmission. And then of course this one is all-wheel drive with multi-terrain select. So we'll talk about that on the interior video. There's some switches in there and we'll go over that then. The warranty on the engine and the transmission and your 4-wheel drive components, that's 5 years, 60,000 miles, no deductible. The vehicle itself, Toyotas all come with a 3-year, 36,000 mile limited warranty. And then we also include Toyota Care. So Toyota Care covers all of your basic maintenance, recommended maintenance for 2 years or 25,000 miles. So that's going to cover your oil changes, your fluid top-offs, and also your tire rotations at no charge to you. So it's a really great warranty package on a high-quality vehicle. Okay, that's your exterior overview of this 2021 Toyota RAV4 Premium Edition. Hey, if you like the video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up. If you want more videos like this, please feel free to subscribe to my channel. This is Tony, Talking CarBiz. Thanks for watching.